As a small business owner, you may have heard of holding companies, but you are not sure what they are or why would someone need one. Hi, my name is Amandeep and I'm a CPA practicing in the Metro Vancouver region of British Columbia, Canada. Well, let's start with a discussion of what is a holding company. You see, in simple words, it is a company that does not produce goods or services but holds shares of an operating company. The holding company is simply inserted between you, the business owner, and the active business that allows profit to be flowed up as tax-free dividends and retained in the holding company or Holdco in short form. That income can be held inside that Holdco until perhaps a later year when you, the business owner, actually need the money. You see, this gives you control to plan when you want to receive the money and pay the tax. This flexibility is also beneficial where multiple shareholders hold shares in the operating companies. Please beware, new anti-avoidance rules may treat intercorporate dividends paid in excess of retained earnings as a capital gain, so you will need expert tax advice from a CPA to determine the dividends that may be safely paid. Another reason you might want to use a holding company is for asset protection. If a creditor of your Opco decides to sue your Opco, the creditor could have access theoretically to all of the Opco's assets. You see, these assets can be protected by removing excess cash or investments not needed in the business operations to a holding company. You might also wonder whether the investments which you already own personally, should it be transferred to a holding company for tax purposes or not? Well, the answer is generally no, as there's actually a tax cost for earning investment income inside a private company compared to earning that same investment income personally. Moreover, as a small business deduction dollar limit must be shared amongst associated corporations, passive investments in holding companies can affect an associated operating company's ability to claim the small business rate. As a small business owner, if you are interested in creating a holding company, you might want to first seek assistance from a lawyer and a CPA. If you want to be notified about our new content, please do consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.